Imagine a place on Earth where sunlight never reaches, where the pressure can crush a submarine like a soda can, where strange alien-like creatures float through icy black water. It's not another planet. It's right here, beneath us, the deep sea. We've walked on the moon, we've sent machines to Mars, but we've barely touched the ocean floor. Why? Why in the 21st century can't we fully explore Earth's own oceans? The answer is more complex and more terrifying than you might think. As you descend into the ocean, pressure builds fast. For every 10 meters, the weight of the water increases by 1 atmosphere. That's like stacking another layer of Earth's atmosphere on top of you, again and again. By the time you reach the Mariana Trench, nearly 11,000 meters down, the pressure is over 1,000 times what we experience on land. That's enough to crush most submarines flat in seconds. Only a handful of specially designed vehicles have ever made it that far, and no human has ever swum near that depth because we physically can't. Sunlight disappears around 1,000 meters deep. After that, it's pitch black, permanent night. To explore these depths, we rely on artificial lights, which only illuminate a few meters at a time, and sometimes scare away the very creatures we're trying to find. And it's not just dark, it's freezing. Temperatures hover just above degrees. This extreme cold drains batteries, weakens materials, and slows down every machine we send. It's like trying to explore a vast frozen cave in the dark, while blindfolded. Because humans can't survive these conditions, we send robots, remotely operated or autonomous submersibles. But even our best tech struggles. Radio waves don't travel well underwater, so we rely on acoustic signals, which are slow and unreliable. Real-time control is nearly impossible, and deep-sea robots often have to navigate blindly or on pre-programmed routes. If something goes wrong, we can't repair it, we can't rescue it, we just lose it. And human divers, the deepest recorded scuba dive is just over 300 meters. That's nothing compared to the ocean's true depth. Beyond that, pressure would collapse our lungs, our blood would react dangerously, and we'd die within seconds. Then there's the cost. Deep sea exploration isn't cheap. A single expedition can cost millions of dollars, involving large research ships, custom-built submarines, and teams of scientists, engineers, and crew. Missions can last weeks or months, and the payoff? Often just a few hours of usable data. Combine that with the sheer scale of the ocean, over 360 million square kilometers, most of it several kilometers deep, and it becomes clear we're not just exploring a dark hole in the ground. We're trying to map and study an entire alien world right here on Earth. The deep sea is filled with life forms we've never seen, landscapes we've never mapped, and forces we don't understand. Every time we descend, we find something new. Something that challenges what we thought we knew about life, science, and even evolution. But it's also dangerous. Earthquakes, thermal vents, shifting terrain, and powerful currents make it a place where one mistake could end a mission or a life. So why can't humans fully explore the deep sea? Because it's the most hostile, mysterious, and massive environment on our planet. But that's also what makes it worth exploring. It is Earth's final frontier, and we're only just beginning to understand what lies beneath. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more stories from the hidden corners of our planet and beyond. What do you think is lurking in the deep sea? Let us know in the comments.